Are you looking to change the name of your Facebook group? Whether you want to rename your group to reflect a new focus or you simply want to change the name for fun, in this video I will show you how. In just a few simple steps, you can easily change the name of your Facebook group, and I will walk you through the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. So first of all, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu screen, tap on the Groups option over here. And then tap on your groups. And under Groups you manage, it will show you all of your Facebook groups. Simply tap on the group that you want to change the name of. So in order to change the name of a group, you have to be an admin of that group. So if you are an admin, tap on this shield icon with a star at the top right corner of the screen. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Group Settings. Under Basic Group Info, you will see an option called Name and Description. So go ahead and tap on that. And then right where it says Group Name, you want to get rid of the already existing group name. After that, type in the new group name. Once you are happy with your new group name, simply tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. So let's go back. And boom! The group name has been successfully changed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.